Hello guys! For today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng SHOERACK na nabili natin sa Shopee. Dito sa kanyang packaging, may nakalagay na no video, no refund. Kaya make sure na mag-video kayo before opening it just in case na may sira or mali yung pinadala nilang item. Bali itong SHOERACK na ito is 275 pesos lang and 5 layers na siya. Yung color nga pala ng SHOERACK na napili natin is color black and yung size niya is 75 cm by 73 cm by 19 cm. Upon opening, meron na rin siyang instruction dito pero dahil sobrang dali siyang i-assemble, kahit hindi na natin to basahin, kayang-kaya na natin siyang i-assemble on our own. In addition, napakagaan rin pala nitong product nila. In less than 15 minutes, na-assemble na nga natin itong 5-layer na SHOERACK and tignan nyo naman, sobrang ganda niyang tignan. It's very elegant and matibay rin siya. If you are wondering kung ilang pairs of shoes ang kasya dito, I would say na nasa 15 to 20 pairs of shoes. So that means sa isang layer, pwede kayong maglagay ng 3 to 4 pairs of shoes. Overall, I would definitely recommend this product to anyone watching this video right now and I would give it a rate of 9 out of 10. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in our next unboxing.